said, I think, what the heck, I'm stepping on something.
Really?
Yeah, on the computer. I was like, listen, look at my sting.
Who does that look like?
What?
Who does that look like? You told me a while ago it looked like somebody you knew. You don't know?
My dad calls his name all the time.
What does he say?
I don't know what's his name. My dad said his name. He said,
Huh?
Scott Whitening.
Scott Whitening?
No, Art Whitening.
Oh.
I don't know his name. Can you see me?